Hi there, everybody. They've driven a car in my yard. Wait a minute, I'll drive it in. And here it is. Renault Clio 1996. An old car. I'm going to do some maintenance and service for it. So, let's open the hood. Which is there. Oh, sorry. It doesn't open. What the heck? Oh. Oh, I can't open the hood. Bonnet de Renault. It won't open. It's stuck somewhere. There's something moving, but why don't it open? Le miracle. Bonnet de Renault. What should I do? There's no way I can do it. Switch is there, but it won't open, and here's nothing. Here's the switch. Is it working or not? Can't say. There's no sound. What the heck should I do? This dilemma is called Bonnet de Renault. I can't open it. I must go to check the YouTube, because if there's information about it. See you soon. I must go upstairs. YouTube didn't help me at all. There was no information about this dilemma. So I must call an old friend if he knows anything. Hello, old friend. Yes, you are just the man I'm looking for. Can you help me with this problem? Bonnet, I can't open this. What did you say? You need 2 hands. 2 hands. Okay, wait a minute, I'll try. It needs 2 hands. Thank you very much. See you soon. That was the problem. Problem solved. The first problem solved. Can't be so difficult. Finally I can start the real maintenance work. That's all this time. See you next time.